Hey there, how are you today? My name is Dana Demara, and I am here to tell you a little bit about the Nourish, Rest, and Restore workshop I have coming up in the new year, 2021. You know, I am a bona fide vinyasa teacher. I have always gravitated toward the strength and flexibility and cardiovascular energy that happens when you practice in a vinyasa flow. And what I found over this past year, this Nourish, Rest, and Restore is really, really, really important. Um, in the write up for the training, I talk a lot about how our nervous systems are bombarded with information, and it's true. And in 2020, we have absolutely had more information fed to us than we are supposed to take in. We're not supposed to take in all this information. And whether you know it or not, your nervous system has taken a little bit of a beating. And we have the tools. We have the tools of breath work. We have the tools in meditation and getting out in nature. And this Nourish, Rest, and Restore training is actually about how to take that to the next level, how to really allow your body to rest on every level. We are layered beings. We're physical, we're energetic, we're spiritual, we're mental, we're emotional. We have so many layers to us. And in one moment in time, one instance can completely shift us on all those levels. So this training is for everybody. This training is about you finding space for yourself to nourish, rest, and restore. And it's really important. It's important for you if you're a yoga teacher, if you're not a yoga teacher, just as a regular human being functioning on this planet. So as with all of our trainings, the information is on my website, and you can read all about the dates and when it starts and early birds and all of that. Um, and you can also take this, you don't have to be a yoga teacher to take this. You can take this course if this interests you. Anybody can take it. And you can also take it if you're a yoga teacher and you would like to get CEUs. So you can take it as a standalone. And then it's also part of our 300-hour training program. So my invitation to you is to take a look, see if it's for you, and then join us. Would love to have you. And in the meantime, I hope that you are happy and healthy and thriving. Reach out to me if you have any questions. Have a beautiful day. Namaste.